Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and today I wanted to do a anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I just don't like Valentine's Day and I know a lot of other people don't like Valentine's Day either. But Valentine's Day is still unavoidable, so I wanted to still do a makeup look but not for Valentine's Day, if that makes sense. I want to do something that'll make you feel sexy and cute and pretty and hot all at the same time. I mean, yeah, that's all I really got. I don't like Valentine's Day. That's it. I'm a hater, okay? I'm a hater. Before we get started with this tutorial, please remember to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I have been thinking about probably calling you all something. I like to think of us as a little family, so I was thinking about calling you guys my little pepitas. Let me know what you think about that. Pepitas is not my actual last name. I chose that name because in Spanish it means small seeds, but it also means chicken nuggets, and I love chicken nuggets, and I am small. By small I mean short. I felt like it was a good name to put out there on the internet, so maybe we can all be bebitas together. So leave a comment down below, let me know if you like the idea or not. I already did my base, which includes contour and blush. I have not done my eyebrows yet. I want to do that after I do my eyeshadow, just because I'm not sure exactly where I want to go with that. I know what colors I want to use, but that's about it. I'm gonna put on some eye primer. Do y'all have any plans for Valentine's Day? I have nothing planned. It's on a Sunday, so I'm probably gonna do what I do every Sunday, which is be in my PJs, watch anime with my partner. I was gonna go all crazy with it and do a graphic liner look and broken hearts or whatever, but that's too much. No one's gonna do that, and I wanted this to be something wearable just in case you just like the look that I do and you want to try it out at home, which is I hope is what you'll want to do after I finish this. So I'm gonna start off with a gray, and I'm gonna start putting it all over the lid. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with a brown, like a deep dark brown, and I'm gonna just blend out here softly. And then I'm gonna take a brown and purple on a little brush like this, and let me clean it up first. Take a little bit of brown and purple, and I'm gonna mix them together because I don't have a burgundy and I want to do something burgundy. So small brush, and I'm going where I put that brownish color, and I am blending it like so. So that burgundy thing did not work. It's more purple, so come this far. So now we just gotta work with what we got. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more of a like different colored purple and just add that on top. And you just want to keep blending until you're happy with it. I'm just following the curves, like my eye shape. So I'm kind of going all around. See, I was gonna buy burgundy eyeshadow, like actual burgundy, but I can't remember which video it was, but one of my past videos I talked about how I refuse to buy any more eyeshadow palettes. As much as I love makeup, I am trying to not be wasteful and actually hit the pan on my palettes. Then we're gonna take a like kind of skin tone neutral color on the same brush and blend, blend, blend. I'm going to blend it up into the brow. Now I am going, just because as always this went differently than I anticipated, I'm gonna switch it up with, you know, what I had in my head, and cut my crease and put black on top of it just to bring more drama, because you know we love drama. I'm getting some concealer and putting it on a little palette and a concealer brush. I'm just gonna clean up the shape of the eyeshadow. Just feel like it looks too raccoony. I want this to look more structured. Yeah, I think I like that better. I'm just taking my finger to blend the concealer with the eyeshadow, just so it's not a super harsh line. I'm gonna take this small blending brush again and just make this more circular on this side so it matches better. Take some black eyeliner, line my upper and lower lash line or waterline, yeah. Move on to brows. Before I forget, I'm gonna add some more blush. And I do want to put some on my nose as well. I'm gonna add some fake freckles. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, of course. I'm gonna do, ooh, that felt good. I'm gonna do mascara, lips, and highlight. And then I will show you the finished look. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I wanted to go with a bold lip since everything else about me is dramatic, so why not? I am a little bit disappointed because I had a different image in my head, but that's my fault because I don't have burgundy eyeshadow, so oh well. It was nice to just sit down and play with some makeup and feel cute at the end of it. So again, thank you, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.